So today we're at a park. I'm gonna have you guys join me for my photo shoot. I'm gonna give you guys some tips, show you guys how I shoot. It's really cloudy right now. It actually looks like it's gonna rain. Hopefully it won't. But in any case, I'm gonna show you guys how I shoot, how I work with a model, how I pose her, how I get the best light as well. So you guys are gonna join me. Let's get started. So before we begin, I would love to thank the sponsor for today's video, Nan Light. So they sent me the Pavo tube. It's so cool. It's a small LED light. It's easily chargeable. You just plug it into the wall. You can take it with you. It's lightweight. And the thing I love about this is it actually changes to different colors. It has different settings. So maybe, look, ANISA, it's LED, like it changes colors too. Watch. What color do you want? We have different colors here. Look,
that's like a party.
Look.
That's a whole party. Look at that.
I love it. Isn't that so cool?
Does it look cool when I go like this?
And it's so lightweight. Look, literally look how lightweight that is.
I'm not very strong.
Throw it in that bag and you're good to go. So guys, check out the link in the description for more information on Nan Light's products, and we would love to thank them again for sponsoring this video. So with that being said,
hi, I'm ANISA and you're watching Disney Channel.
Let's get back to the video. Whatever, you guys can just do something with that. So let's start here. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. How is the light looking? Oh. So my first shot, we definitely need to adjust the settings. Nice, I love these. Yeah, stay right there. Yeah, okay, great, those are awesome. I love this pose right here. I mean, it's a great example of a good pose. You see ANISA's body is angled. She has her arms out. It's creating a lot of shape. So this would be a A+ pose for me. Like if you went to my class on posing, you'd get an A+.
I 4.0'd.
4.0, 4.0. And also notice how I'm kind of angling my camera. So what I'm gonna do is take a photo at a high angle, at eye level, and then at a low angle so you guys can see the difference on how much your angle changes the entire look of the photo. So let's do the high angle first. Hold on. Wait, stay right there. Hold on. Okay, then I'm gonna take it kind of. Yeah, stay right there, don't move. And then I'm gonna take it at a low angle. Bring this leg in again. You had your leg in? Yeah, like that. Yeah, I definitely love the higher angle ones and the lower angle. I feel like even though it is at eye level, I don't know, higher angles make it look a little bit more interesting. So let's talk about lighting, okay? How do you find the best light? Now, I'm actually gonna take pictures of ANISA at different intervals here so you guys can see, even though she's standing in the same spot, it's gonna change completely with, again, the position in relation to where the sun is. So let me show you guys, we're gonna do like a little bit of a spin kind of thing. So we're gonna start here. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of the lighting. Okay, stay right there, and I want you to turn this way. All right, stay right there, and we're gonna switch right here. Oh, this has to be the prettiest light right now. All right, and then we're gonna move this way.
This is more correct.
Yes. Beautiful. Okay, honestly, I think out of all of them, I kind of like the side light ones.
Wow, Jessica, so pretty.
Thank you. So look at these ones.
Yeah, that's a little harsher. You can
Yeah,
tell.
it's backlit, and you can see there's more shadows under your eyes, and the lighting isn't as flattering as it is when you're to the side of the sun.
Exactly.
And then in direct sun. So what I would suggest to you guys is just do a little bit of a circle and just see where the light is hitting the best. Take a couple of test shots. Don't just shoot based on the background. I think that's a big mistake people make. See where the best light is. And if you really want to shoot in a certain like angle in a certain area and the light isn't very flattering, bust out a reflector, which is what I'm going to show you guys right now. When to use a reflector and how to use it. So let's do that next. All right, guys, so let's say you're in the situation where you don't have the best light, but you really want to get a certain background. All you gotta do is get out a reflector. This is something that I bought on eBay for like $20. I've had this since I started photography. I've had it for 8 years basically. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna show you, we're gonna shoot backlit. Even though the light is not that flattering, bringing out a reflector is going to bring back that light and fill in the shadows on ANISA's face. So let me show you guys. Oh, sorry. Okay, that's one mistake. Try not to put it directly in the model's face. Kind of have it feathered off just a little bit, a little tapered, and always ask the model if it's okay. You don't want to be beaming a bunch of light into her face and blinding, you know what I mean? You don't want any of that. So just ask the model, hey, is this okay on your eyes? Like, are you doing okay? Are you getting sunburnt? If she's getting sunburnt during the photo shoot, that's not a good, don't do it. I don't know, I'm just being dramatic. I'm literally being so dramatic. What I would suggest is feather the light. Don't have it directly in their face, kind of have it to the side. You know, have it a little bit distant from the model. And then you can also have it kind of under them. So something like this. So right now the sun actually went away. You guys can see it's bouncing back a lot of light. It's filling in those shadows. There are different sides and colors you can use to this one. I'm gonna keep it on silver, and I'm gonna show you guys how these pictures turn out with and without a reflector so you can see the difference. We're gonna start on the first photo without the reflector. Yeah, stay right there. Stay in that pose. Okay, and then staying in that same pose, I'm gonna bring in the reflector. And I'm gonna do a couple of variations. I'm gonna have it kind of pointed in different areas. I feel like I'm doing a whole workout right now.
I know, if you need help, I have a free.
Thank you, babe. No, it's okay, I got it, thank you. This is truly like a one-person thing. Like most photographers don't have an assistant, so this is very realistic.
Exactly.
This is very realistic, okay. I got this, I got it. This is so hard. Yeah, I just gotta keep my, I feel like I'm in the circus, like, okay.
This is good
Okay.
balance practice.
Yeah, exactly, there we go. This is very hard, but we got some really good shots so far. There we go, this is much easier. Love these. Oh wow, dude, the sky looks so pretty in these.
Jessica, what?
And then look, that's without the reflector.
I love the reflector one.
Right? It bounces back so much more light.
Oh
So
my
pretty.
God,
So
I'm
reflector?
obsessed.
You like the
Yes.
reflector ones more?
Yes. Reflector makes a huge difference.
Honestly, and it's something so simple. This costs like $20, you guys. Invest in this. So let's try out the white side, and then I'll show you guys how the gold side looks. But I kind of tried the gold, and I'm not a huge fan of it with this outfit. So the white, if Meha comes in really close, you guys can see it's bringing back a lot of the light that was kind of lost in shadows on her face. So let me take the first shot without this reflector, and then I'll show you guys how it looks with it on. So, okay, the first shot we're gonna use without the reflector. It's still a beautiful shot. Very nice, very pretty. Now let's see how it looks like with this. Okay, let's do this. Very beautiful, I love this. Very pretty. So I'm gonna have ANISA kind of lay. Can you even lay down here? Yeah.
This way or this way?
So this is kind of how I would assemble this shot. Love this. Okay, so I'll show you guys some different variations of this shot, but I really like how ANISA is positioning herself. I'm gonna take it a little bit above her head. Not a little bit, like literally above her head. Like I'm like towering over you. Okay. We could really do like a wide variation. We could do waist up with these. I could do full body. We can even get a nice portrait. So I'll show you guys how these ones turn out. Love these, great job. Let me bring this in. Okay, now I feel like it's not doing anything. Sun, I need you to come out right now. So when the sun doesn't come out, a pro tip is to just start screaming and then the sun will come out. Beautiful. Keep moving like your head this way and that, yeah. I really hope you guys enjoyed joining me. Enjoyed joining?
Enjoyed joining. That's kind of a tongue twister.
I know. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to do a variety of stuff. So we did the reflector, we did some angles, we did a little bit of posing as well. So you guys saw how I kind of conducted my fashion shoots. So I really hope this was helpful for you guys. Let me know what you guys think down below. And before we end this, I would love to thank ANISA for modeling yet again.
Thank you for having me.
In one of my videos. I'm gonna have her Instagram down below. She has an amazing journey on becoming a professional model, so check it out. So check that link down below. And we would love to thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys wanna see in the next video.
Thank
Bye.
you guys.